guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I am laying my foundation for the week of 3/19. I won't even call it pre-planning because it's really just laying the foundation down. I will be using this absolutely gorgeous foiled kit from Station Stickers. It's called a Raven, and it is a Ravenclaw Harry Potter themed kit. I'm super excited about this, and the foil on this is like holographic silver, so I'm pulling in the foil in this kit, and then I also have pulled out a bunch of other silver foil elements. It did come with this little icon sheet as well, so I have that. I grabbed some blue and some foiled silver washi and like a bunch of other silver foil. So I'm going to jump in and kind of explain what I am doing differently this week as well. So if you have watched any of my videos, you probably know that I am expecting a baby, and I am actually going to be 39 weeks this week, and I'm pretty much, any day now. So it seemed silly to do like a whole really pre-planning thing. Plus I have like literally nothing going on. I'm like totally have transitioned most of my stuff at work and away, and it's just like everything is like super chill. So I am just kind of laying down some foundation, and then I will just go day by day every day that I don't have a baby. So anyway, I love this kit so much, but I'm not going to use any of the brown color. I just don't really like that color. I love all the blues and grays, and it is perfect because if my baby does come, he is a boy, so I will be able to pull in all of these baby blue and boy stickers that I have, and that was kind of my thought. And I'll probably do the same thing next week if I haven't had the baby as well, and continue on with like this semi-weird style. The other advantage to doing this instead of doing my regular Plan With Me style is that I am going to use all of the full boxes from this kit, which I just love these full boxes, and I like super obsessed with Harry Potter. I have been like literally my whole life. Well, I guess not my whole life. Whenever it started coming out, I've read them so many times. I like to think of myself as a Ravenclaw. My husband says I'm a Slytherin, but I took the sorting hat test and it said Ravenclaw, so I am sticking with it. I have this lovely foil kit to prove it. Anyway, so I'm laying down my sidebar now, and I am just going to mix it up slightly this week. Instead of using the meal little things, because I didn't have enough without the brown, I'm going to do my dinners on the sidebar this week instead of my Instagram posts. I still plan to post every day until I have baby, and then I'll probably take a break, and I did make a combined to-do list, although honestly I don't have that many to do, so we'll see how that gets filled out. And then I will finish up with my word of the week, which is going to be patience, as in patience while I wait for this baby to come. So I'm going to do the same thing I did last week with the Naps and Nannies washi, and just actually lay that using like a full strip down the whole across the whole week. I really liked how that worked out last week, so I am going to keep going with that as well. Oh, I forgot to mention that Weekly Ombre is actually a leftover from a kit I previously used from Whimsical Plans. The one in this kit was actually brown, so I just found another blue one that I had that kind of matched the kit. So now I'm just laying down my full boxes, just going every other with the up down. As I mentioned, I absolutely love these full boxes because they're beautiful foil and Harry Potter, so I'm excited to get to use them all. So I'm going to skip the weekend banner for now. I have a pretty silver one from Rose Shadow Collection, but I'm just going to see where I want to put that in when I get there. And then the only thing I know this week for either way, whether or not the baby is born, is that my cleaning people will be here on Friday morning. So I'm adding in some of those pretty hollow icons to just finish things up, and that is everything. Okay, so that is everything for this week. I'm not going to fill this out since I literally would have like 2 things to write, and I can just do that later. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this strange plan with me. It's impossible to pre-plan when you are just waiting for a baby to be born, but I love this spread, and I love the blue if the baby does come, and if not, it's still really fun, foiled, and Harry Potter Ravenclaw pride. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you've subscribed, and check me out on Instagram at My Crafty Plans. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.